Welcome to Brush and Roll. So I want to teach you guys today what primer we use to seal everything up. Okay, so we're getting ready to set up to prime all these spot patches and anything on the walls and ceiling that needs primer. It's just a quick and easy setup. We have a deep well tray here, metal tray. You can buy them at Sherwin-Williams or your local paint supplier. And then we use tray liners. We use these a lot in the case of we're getting ready to use an oil-based primer. We do not want to try to clean this tray out with paint thinner and make a mess. So 99 cents. Most suppliers have these tray liners, and you can throw them away when you're done. The product that we're going to use, and we're going to apply just with a mini coater here because there's not that many patches. So we have these on the truck all the time, and they're also a throwaway tool. But this all prime interior exterior oil-based primer, it kills everything. If you've ever had a problem where you painted a wall and then you come back with the second coat, say you're doing 2 coats in a day, and you've had these little annoying bubbles that are the size of a quarter or a nickel, this primer right here stops it. I used to use latex primers, Aqualock from Benjamin Moore, all prime latex, Pro Block latex from Sherwin-Williams, and I would, maybe 1 out of 10 jobs would have these annoying bubbles pop up. This blocks out everything. It could be a little bit of dust on the surface. It could be layers beneath that another painter, maybe put paint right over a patch and didn't prime. This will make sure that you have no issues at all. So we stick by this and swear by this product. In the cases that you can't use an oil-based primer because of odors, or maybe the homeowner is picky about that, you can use the all prime latex. It works great. It's the next one on our list that we go to. So we're going to set up and get going on this and show you how to prime these out. So we've poured out most of the paint. We've maybe left about a quart in here. We don't need this much, but it just makes it workable so you can leave your brush in the can. So I'm going to go through and cut all the edges, and then Gabe here is going to take the roller and come behind me and roll out any of the spots that need to have stipple on them. All right, a quick tip here is always wipe your lid and put it in a spot where you're not going to step on it. There's been so many guys that we've hired first day on the job, and they step on the lid and track it all over the tarps, and it's just unprofessional. You got to go downstairs, find a laundry tub, clean your shoe. Always clean your lid.